Okay, so I went to Wendy's and I got the Baconator breakfast sandwich, right? Yes. And as usual, it's hidden. It's giving what it's supposed to give. But baby, this pineapple mango lemonade, bitch. When I tell you that this shit fire, listen. Grab you one of these pineapple mango lemonades. It's delicious. Like it. Listen, man. A third of the cup already gone. I got this about 10 to 15 minutes ago. And it's good. It's good. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. At Wendy's, y'all.